I'm Ty.
I'm Catherine, and this is Ask the Experts.
So in previous episodes, we established that a great hardness reference for platinum production is around 130 Vickers. So we got an email today asking, what are the platinum alloys over 130 Vickers that are common and accessible in the market?
Yes, one of the most prevalent alloys in the market is platinum ruthenium, and it is only considered a medium hard alloy at 135 Vickers. You know, there are a lot of other options available in the market, both as master alloys as well as pre-mixed alloys. And these could be beryllium, gallium, germanium, indium, niobium, osmium, tungsten, titanium, vanadium, and zirconium. But all these elements are documented to make alloys harder. However, not all of them are suitable for jewelry applications because they also create other issues like brittleness or extreme hardness that it makes it impossible to shear or cut these materials. So when we're really realistically looking at our list of choices, we can probably narrow down on gallium and indium, for instance. So these are all alloys that have a great hardness. However, I want to say that hardness is not necessarily making it a better gem setting material, because if you have this increased strength of the metal, it also means that it takes more force to push the prong down. So if you have a delicate stone such as, for instance, an emerald, you don't want to really push a prong down with a lot of force because there is a risk to the gemstone. So what we are looking for is strength, not hardness.
So I have a question here. You mentioned on this channel about heat treatable alloys. Is that different from hard platinum? Is it better?
Actually, some of the platinum alloys that we mentioned earlier are heat treatable. But generally speaking, you can say heat treatable platinum alloys start out at a higher hardness than regular ones. And what the key for the use of these heat treatable alloys is you can anneal them and reduce their hardness to a softness that is required for your manufacturing processes. But then when the hardness comes into play and you're saying like, I don't want to spend a lot of time in polishing, I need a hard surface to get a crisp shine sooner, then you heat up the material to a temperature below 1000 degrees and you give it the hardness that you require for your application. The verdict is, if you're looking for a platinum alloy that is at least 130 Vickers hard, you're comfortable with platinum, copper, cobalt, or you can select platinum ruthenium. However, if you want something harder, you can use any combination of platinum and tungsten or platinum gallium, and you will have a highly engineered and heat treatable material. Mind you, however, that it will take some time to get used to this material, so you need to check your process parameters and you need to work with it in order to produce excellent castings.
You've asked the expert, and the expert has spoken.